All right, guys, another video. We're gonna do some maintenance this time on the truck. I have to change the transmission filter fluid, the rear diff fluid, and the transfer case and the front diff fluid. I think that's all of it, but because I already replaced everything else, the belts, did the whole cooler flush, pretty much all the actual maintenance. But now I'm gonna do the fluids. Here I got the gasket for the rear diff. This is the transmission gasket, the transmission filter, all the transmission fluid, and then here's the fluid for the gears. I think this is for the rear diff. This is for the front, or something like that. It's backwards probably. But yeah, everything's ready. I just gotta clean it up. I'm cleaning it right now. I'm gonna do a quick wash on it, and I'm probably just gonna spray paint the underside just to make it look a little bit more shiny. And that's about it. See, it's got that old messed up color, but probably just spray it. Gonna wipe it down in a minute, get some brake cleaner, some degreaser, and just clean it, and that's it.
Rigo. He's in the plants now. He wants fresh air inside his house. Just bought that. And he's about to wash another car. This will be his... How many cars you washed already this week? You sure? You washed his truck, his Suburban. You washed the Tahoe. You washed Maria's Jeep. Now you're about to wash this one 5. Give a quick wash and clean to the Dodge Ram. A ver cómo le queda. It ain't terrible, but it ain't the best. Got them strap-on tow mirrors right there. I don't know, not a big fan of these big old Dodge headlights this year. Hey, what year Dodge have these headlights?
07 to 13. 07 to 13.
To 13?
No, it's 06.
No.
06 because Black was 05. It's 06 to 14.
06 to 14?
Yeah.
No way.
See what? Look up at 14. It's already those new, the other square like I think it's 06 to 14.
Run. Rigo's dog done pissed the back tire already. That grizzly bear looking thing over there. Can't see a tire because he wants to piss it low. See if Rigo will do a walk around of it before he starts. Show you all the inside. Got Greg washing the truck already. That is grimy. Oh, dang. He just sprayed some APC on it. He's just pressure washing it now. That's pretty bad.
It's like those YouTube videos.
Dude, this is a YouTube video. Brand new truck already, dude. Yeah, and he scrubbed it. Tomo con mis zapatos de abajo, tiene un hoyo. Got the koozie with the Do You Even Retrofit Bro? Ice cold still. We'll see how long it takes me to wash this truck. Hopefully it won't be too long. If y'all like these videos of Rigo washing cars, detailing them, just leave it in the comments. If y'all want to see more videos of this one, leave it in the comments. Or if y'all want Rigo to do something new to his truck, also leave it in the comments. And if that's not your taste and you want to see the Tahoe build, why not just leave it in the comments? See if you can speed up the process of him fixing it up. Or if y'all like Jose's and y'all want to see something you've done to it, just leave it in the comments. What's up? No, I'm filming. I'm the recorder. You're gonna go big because of me, bro. After you took it down by yourself. If y'all like his process, let us know. If y'all don't like his process, let us know. All that brake does. Ya quedó como nueva, dude, como quiera. Ya quedó como nueva. Alright, so Rigo just got done doing the pre-wash, the pre-rinse, I mean. Looks a whole lot better already. Took the tow mirrors off to wash them better. Rigo's about to start what he's doing to marinate some chicken. He says he's about to smoke some chicken tomorrow. Got un poquito de todo, this. A little bit of everything. What do you need?
I make tacos too.
Oh snap, el taquero, yeah. No van por la comida, van por ver el taquero. What do you need?
Zip right back.
They ain't up here.
They're in that.
They're right here. You want the small ones or the big one?
Big one.
Here.
I need you to help me though.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Look at something.
This is Rigo struggling not knowing how to marinate his wild game over here. Here in the Garcia household, they eat wild game.
Something crazy. I don't know what that thing tastes like.
Shout out to Mullet Man if he ever watches these videos.
Trying to see what's good. Oh, this looks pretty promising.
Show us the carcass.
The carcass is right here.
Show it to us, see if they can guess what it is.
It tells you on the box.
Well, we'll let y'all know at the end of the video. Or if it tells you on the box. I mean on the wrapping.
There it is right here. The wild game.
If y'all can guess what it is. Some feto, dude.
We need to babysit. Like, give me a marinade tabo.
If y'all can guess what this is.
You think it tastes like carne?
What you gonna give them, dude, to whoever guesses it?
Sad, dude. I'm ready.
Un sazón. La receta.
It tastes good though. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know.
We'll try it out. We'll let y'all know what it is at the end of the video. Just finished marinating the carcass.